This is a very interesting question. Y is equal to 4x plus 1, and second equation is 4y is equal to 15x minus 8. The solution of the given system of equations is xy. That means that coordinate pair which satisfy both the equations. What is the value of x minus y? Now, if I solve it by usual general method, so it's like substitution method, as y is equal to 4x plus 1. So I'll just plug in the value of y over here. So it will become 4 and 4x plus 1, at place of this y, I have plugged in this value because y is equal to 4x plus 1. So this is equal to 15 of x minus 8. Now distributive property, this will be multiplied with this as well as with this. So 4 4s are 16x plus 4 is equal to 15x minus 8. Now when we calculate the value of the variable, all the variable terms should be on one side and number should be on other side. So I am taking the variable terms on the left hand side. So subtracting 15x both sides so that it can be cancelled from this side, and that will become 16x minus 15x is equal to x plus 4 is equal to negative 8. Now I need to isolate the variable to find its value. So subtracting 4 on both sides. So x is equal to negative 12. Right? X is equal to negative 12. Now when I plug in the value of x in any of the equations, then y will be calculated. So 4 times negative 12 plus 1 is equal to negative 48 plus 1, and y is equal to negative 47. So x minus y, x is negative 12, this is the value, negative of negative 47. So distributive property with signs, negative 12 plus 47. So that will be, what will be the value? Negative, okay, 5 and 3. Am I correct? 47 minus 12, 35. So that is the value. This is one of the methods. Now I'll try to solve it with another method. This is not any of the methods, like it's not elimination method. It's just a smart way to solve it. What if I multiply the first equation by 4 on both sides? So this equation will become 4y is equal to 16x plus 4. See, when we multiply the whole equation, every term, either on the left hand side or on the right hand side, is multiplied by 4. So 4y is equal to 4 4 is 16x plus 4. Now this is equal to 4y and this is also equal to 4y. So I can just equate the two. See, I am on the same page. If you have written the steps from the previous method, substitution method, you ended up at this step. So negative 15x on both sides, and I don't want number on both sides. So this time I am trying to be a little bit quick because we have already solved this. So 4 and 4 cancelled. 16x minus 15x is x, and it is cancelled. Okay, so that was negative 4 and negative 4. My bad. Negative 4 and negative 4. So it becomes x is equal to negative 12. Now when x is equal to negative 12, in the previous part 2, we plug in the value of x in any of the equations. So y is equal to negative 48 plus 1, and y is equal to negative 47. So it's a little bit different approach than the first one, right? First one was substitution method and this is elimination method. Now if I see the third method, elimination method, proper elimination method, this is some smart kind of solution. Now 4y is equal to 16x minus 4, and also 4y is equal to 15 of x minus 8. Now I'll subtract both the equations. So when we subtract, actual sign is reversed. 4y and 4y cancelled, and plus 16x minus 16x is x, plus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 12. So you can choose any of the methods, right? Our purpose is to solve the question. And again, doing the same thing, plugging in x over here, 4 times negative 12 plus 1, and that is equal to negative 47. So we can calculate x minus y. So that is totally your style, your choice, which method you are comfortable with. You can use first method, substitution method. You can use second method, where we did just a little bit of left hand side equal so that we can equate the right hand side. And third is the proper elimination method. So I hope you find it interesting and you can choose the method you are comfortable with.